Check out the BEZGAR RC Fighter Airplane F-22, a mini drone that's perfect for beginners. It's built with durable plastic and features a sleek, aerodynamic design that really stands out, with a silicone nose to help absorb any bumps along the way. To get started, simply install one of the 2 rechargeable batteries by sliding it into the compartment, then hit the power button located on the top of the drone to fire it up as the LED lights blink to life. The remote control is super intuitive with its responsive joysticks, a speed adjustment button, and even a 360 degrees flip feature that lets you pull off cool stunts, all thanks to its reliable 2.4 GHz technology. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: the mini drone itself, 2 rechargeable batteries, a handy USB battery charger, a small screwdriver for any tweaks, and spare propellers for when you need a quick fix. Overall, this drone is a fantastic option for anyone new to flying. It's built tough, easy to use, and packed with fun features to keep the excitement going whether you're indoors or out.